Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss types of networking. So let's start the session. First there is Personal Area Network, which is called PAN in short. A PAN is the smallest and most personal type of network, typically covering an area of a few meters. It is designed for connecting devices owned by a single person, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable devices. PANs enable convenient data sharing, file transfer, and device synchronization between personal devices. Examples of PAN usage include connecting a smartphone to a smartwatch, pairing a wireless keyboard with a tablet, or sharing files between nearby laptops. Then there is Local Area Network, which is called as LAN in short. A LAN is a network that spans a small geographical area, such as a single building or a group of nearby buildings. It provides high-speed connectivity between devices, typically using Ethernet or Wi-Fi technology. LANs are commonly used in homes, schools, and businesses to facilitate resource sharing and communication. Then, Wide Area Network, which in short, WAN. A WAN covers a larger geographical area, such as a city, country, or even globally. WANs connect multiple LANs and often use public infrastructure like telephone lines, fiber optic cables, or satellite links. The Internet is the largest example of a WAN, connecting networks across the globe. Next is Metropolitan Area Network, that is, MAN. A MAN falls between a LAN and a WAN in terms of geographical coverage. It typically covers a larger area than a single LAN but is not as extensive as a WAN. MANs are commonly used by Internet service providers to connect multiple LANs within a city or metropolitan area. Next, Wireless Local Area Network, which in short, WLAN. A WLAN is a type of LAN that uses wireless technology, such as Wi-Fi, to connect devices. It allows for greater flexibility and mobility since devices can connect to the network without physical cables. WLANs are prevalent in homes, offices, airports, and other public spaces. Then here comes Virtual Private Network, VPN. A VPN extends a private network across a public network, such as the Internet. It enables users to securely access resources on the private network from remote locations. VPNs are widely used by businesses to provide secure remote access for employees and to connect geographically dispersed offices. Next, Campus Area Network, CAN. A CAN is a type of network that connects multiple LANs within a university campus, corporate campus, or other large organization. It provides high-speed connectivity between different departments or buildings within the same physical location. CANs often utilize fiber optic cables or other high-speed connections to interconnect the LANs. Then comes Storage Area Network, SAN. A SAN is a specialized network architecture that provides access to consolidated, block-level data storage. It enables multiple servers to access shared storage devices, such as disk arrays or tape libraries, over high-speed connections. SANs are commonly used in data centers and enterprise environments to provide scalable and centralized storage solutions. Then comes Client-Server Network. In a client-server network architecture, one or more central servers provide resources and services to client devices. Clients, such as desktop computers, laptops, or smartphones, request and utilize resources from the servers. This model is commonly used in business environments for tasks like file sharing, printing, and centralized data storage. Next is Peer-to-Peer Network, that is, P2P. In a peer-to-peer network, all devices are considered equal peers and can act as both clients and servers. Each device can share resources directly with other devices without the need for a central server. P2P networks are often used for sharing files, such as music, videos, and software, over the Internet. And the final one is Enterprise Access Network, that is, AEN. EAN typically covers the internal network infrastructure of an organization, including LANs, WANs, and data centers. EAN enables connectivity between different devices such as computers, servers, printers, and other network devices within the enterprise. It provides access to various services and resources within the organization, including file sharing, email, databases, applications, and internet access.